Our family, our team, understanding unity and belonging in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special topic. The meaning and importance of the phrases, our family, and our team. These phrases are more than just words. They represent concepts of unity, belonging, and collective identity. So, if you're ready to explore these beautiful expressions and how they can impact your understanding of English, let's get started. When we say, our family, we're talking about a group of people connected by blood, marriage, or emotional bonds. This phrase signifies love, support, and a deep sense of belonging. In English, referring to a group as our family emphasizes the closeness and unconditional support among its members. It's about sharing life's ups and downs, offering a shoulder to lean on, and celebrating successes together. Moving on to our team, this phrase extends beyond the realm of sports. It refers to any group working together towards a common goal, whether in a professional setting, a creative project, or even in day-to-day challenges. Our team conveys unity, cooperation, and shared responsibility. It's about pooling skills, efforts, and resources to achieve something great. This phrase highlights the idea that together, we are stronger and can accomplish more than we can individually. A key element in both phrases is the word, our. This small but mighty word is what transforms family and team from simple nouns into powerful expressions of collective identity. It creates a sense of inclusivity and shared experience. By using our, we include ourselves in the group, acknowledging our role and responsibility within it. This is a fundamental aspect of communication and relationship building in English. Understanding and using these phrases can greatly enrich your English conversations. They allow you to express empathy, solidarity, and team spirit. For example, saying, "We're like a family here," in a workplace can foster a more supportive and close-knit environment. Similarly, "Let's do this as a team," can boost morale and encourage collaboration. These expressions are powerful tools for building connections and nurturing positive interactions. Thank you for joining me today to explore the rich meanings of our family and our team. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the connections and emotions those words evoke. I hope this video has helped you understand these phrases' significance and how they can enhance your English communication. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't forget, we're all part of this learning family. Take care, and see you in our next video.